Yes. Let me
Yes,
get a
sir.
question. Speaker, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Right. Perfect. Okay. So let me give the question here. Hmm. Yeah, this is a very important type of question. If tan 20 degrees is equal to P, then prove that tan 610 plus tan 700 divided by, very important for UIP as well,
Okay, sir.
very important for 4 marks. And for JE point of view also important. Important concept. So you will not get exact, you will not get a, this type of concept. The calculation whichever we deliver, the calculation whichever we do here, that calculation will help you to solve JE questions. Clear?
Yes, sir. I'm doing it.
Yes. So how can we solve this question now? Come on. Question. Yes.
Should I say it, sir? Should I solve it?
Yeah. Basically, he only gave the prove that this is equal to this given. But in JE questions, how we ask this is equal to what? Clear? In
We have to do that. 2 into the 19. All that, sir.
exactly.
I'm doing it, sir.
Hmm.
Calculation.
We have to do all that stuff. Basically, we know the shortcut here. I told you the shortcut.
Yes, sir.
What is the shortcut here, Sneaker? Write the 610 as multiples of 90. What can I write? 90
Yeah.
to what?
That's what I'm doing, the calculation.
90.
First 2 into 90.
Not 2 into 90.
I mean, this 90, sorry. 90 into
90 into 6. 540, 540.
Yeah.
Minus what?
1 minute, sir.
540 plus 540 plus how much?
540 plus 60. 70. Sorry.
All right. Plus
Yeah.
tan 90 into what? 7.
19
plus 7.
Yeah, 7.
All right. Divided by Srikar, are you able to follow?
540 plus 20, sir. 19 to 6 plus 20.
Plus, so not plus, not plus here, minus. So minus tan 9 5 plus 20. Am I right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So I'm just
Yes,
taking LHS for here. Yes, yes, Srikar. You are saying something.
So I'm just saying it's right.
Yes. So here, look at it, 96 times. So 4 times stops here, 5 times, 6 times, plus 70, which means third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan will be.
Yeah, third quadrant.
So here, even number, so tan will be tan only.
Yeah.
Tan.
70.
Okay. Plus
Hmm.
here, the tan becomes what? Odd, right?
It will change, sir. Odd. It will change. Cot.
Now, all we have to consider here is all we have to focus on is symbol. What symbol I would get here? What sign I get here? Plus or minus?
It will be in fourth quadrant.
70, 7 here, 4. So fourth quadrant. It will be minus.
Fourth quadrant.
It will be minus. Am I correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir, fourth quadrant or first quadrant, sir, this will be again?
no.
At 70.
No, look at this here. 1 second. If
I mean, fourth quadrant, or it will do another rotation?
7
yeah.
times here stops here. I mean, 4 times stops here. 5.
Yeah, exactly.
7 and plus 70, fourth quadrant.
Yeah, fourth quadrant.
It will
Yeah.
be somewhere here. Somewhere 17 stops here. 80, 90.
Yes, sir.
Here? Yes.
Yeah.
Fourth quadrant, right? So fourth quadrant, cos and secant will be positive.
Yes.
Rest of the all functions will be negative. Right? So tan
Yeah.
96 times, which means what? Even function doesn't change here. So tan will be tan only. So tan 20. 6 times. Third quadrant. 6 times third quadrant. So in third quadrant, tan remains same. Third remains stay same. All right. Minus tan 5 times. So it becomes as cot cot 20, but 5 times 4, 5, 5 plus 20. So second quadrant, tan will be negative. So negative into negative, positive.
Yeah.
All right. So now, if you observe this properly, tan 20 he has given here. Tan 20 is equal to P. So denominator I can write P. Denominator I can write P. Now how can I just make all these terms in terms of P? Come on.
Tan 90 minus 20.
Easy. So tan
90 minus 20.
20
Cot 20, sir.
minus cot 90.
Or 90 minus 20. Cot, it will become tan 20.
Exactly. Divided by
Tan 20 plus cot 20 as it is.
cot 20 as it is. Perfect. So
Yeah.
now this becomes cot 20,
Yes.
becomes tan 20
Tan 20.
by tan 20.
Once we will have cot will be 1 by P, sir. Once we will have tan,
Exactly.
it will be P.
Cot 20 will be 1 by P. Since tan
Yeah.
20 is
Tan 20 will be P itself.
minus upon.
Simple. And it will be proved after LCM proved.
Look at this, 1 minus P square by P divided by P square
Yeah,
plus 1
that's
by
it.
P. P will get cancelled. This is
Simple, sir.
1 plus P square. Hence pro. Clear? Hope
Yeah,
it is
simple,
clear.
sir.
Very simple. Shrikar,
Yeah.
done? Done? Very
Yes, sir.
important, beta, very important. So it helps you to solve 4 marks question for UIP. All right? Chalo. Next question. If alpha, beta are the complementary angles such that B sine alpha is equal to A, then guys, am I recording?
No, oh yes, sir, you're recording.
Yes. Then find the value of sine alpha into cos beta minus cos alpha into sine beta. How can I find this? These are complementary angles such that
B sin alpha equal to A. Find the value of sin alpha. Okay.
see basically alpha and beta are complementary angles, nothing but what? Sum of two angles should be 90 degrees.
Yeah, 90 degrees.
Stage, right? So alpha
Yeah.
beta is equal to 90 degrees here.
Alpha equal to 90 minus beta.
All right, alpha is equal to 90 minus beta or beta is equal to 90 minus alpha.
Yeah.
All right. Now look
Yeah.
at it. Alpha is equal to 90 minus beta or beta is equal to 90 minus alpha.
Yes. Yes, sir.
90 minus beta. So let us substitute here. So B, or else you substitute here where in the required part.
Yeah. In the required part.
And beta is equal to what here? 90 minus alpha.
90 minus alpha.
By the way,
Anything we can take, sir. Yeah.
we need beta and alpha both right here.
Yeah.
Look at this here. So sine alpha is nothing but what? 90 minus beta cos
Beta.
beta is
On the other side, 90 minus alpha.
minus cos alpha. Sine beta is what? 90 minus alpha. So 90 minus
So don't change in the left side one, sir. Keep cos beta as it is.
find the values of this one.
Yeah. To find the values of it.
No problem. No problem. Achha,
mean-
you are saying no need not to change that. Okay, fine.
Yeah. Cos beta.
Yes, it becomes a yes. We can write it as in terms of square later on, isn't it?
Yeah. Exactly. That's a square.
So yeah, let it be as it is. Fine, very good. This is the cos alpha. So sine alpha as it is here. So cos 90 minus alpha, how much? Sine alpha. Minus cos sine 90 minus alpha, how much? Sticker cos alpha. So sine square alpha minus cos.
Minus cos square alpha. Okay.
This can be written as what? Tell me. Look at this.
1 minus sine square alpha.
Yes.
Two sine square alpha minus 1.
Now what he has given, look at this, sine alpha is nothing but what here?
A.
A by B.
A by B.
Yeah, A by B.
Substitute here, no? So A square.
2A square by B square.
So a by
minus
b whole square is equal to what? 2 times
1
of
by,
minus
yeah.
1 is equal to 0.
Yeah.
So
2a square by b square equal to 1, sir. And then 1 by 2.
by b square.
Okay, LCM. Okay, sir. Yeah, equal to b square.
Ah.
2a square minus b square equal to b square, sir. Substitute. Equal to 0. Hello?
Yes,
Yeah, 2a square minus b square equal to 0, sir.
is equal to 0. Perfect.
Yeah.
What is asking us to find out here? Find the values of this. This is the answer. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Any doubts, people?
No, sir.
No,
Yes.
sir.
Chalo, next question. If 8 tan A is equal to minus 15, 25 sin B is equal to minus 7, and neither A nor B is in the fourth quadrant, then prove that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to minus 304 by 425. This is what you have to prove. Come on.
Right, tan A is minus 50 by 8, sir. What is that? What is it one, sir? The side of tan A?
Where?
Side of tan A, sir. What is that? 8 or something?
Here 8 into tan
8, eh? Oh, yeah, that's it, sir. Tan A equal to minus 15 by 8.
A. Perfect. Tan A is equal to minus 15 by 8.
Sin B equal to minus 7 by 25.
25. And what he has given, this is what he has given.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I know tan A. Can I find out sin A here from the right angle triangle?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. You can.
So now here, what is the sin A here? Tan A is nothing but what? Opposite by?
Opposite by adjacent.
So what is the adjacent here?
8. Yeah, 8 itself. Yeah.
I mean, what is this?
That's
Here, this is 8. Actually.
That's
8. Yeah,
What is
adjacent.
hypotenuse?
That one, sir.
24.
The opposite. Yeah.
17.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Why? Because 15
Pythagoras
is
theorem. Yeah.
25 and a square is 64. How much? 289. So square root of 289 is 17.
Yeah. 17 square. That's it. Yeah.
Very good. So now from this I can find it out, sin everything. Now from this, look at here. This is A angle. For A angles, we are drawing this diagram. For
Yeah. Now B angle.
So opposite by hypotenuse. So 7 by 25.
Hypotenuse. Minus 7 by 25.
225.
Minus 7. Sir, minus 7, sir.
Yeah, minus 7. So 625.
Yeah. 625, 49.
Minus 49.
576. 225.
576. 24. 576 is what?
25, sir. I think no. 24. Yeah, sorry. 24.
25 is what? 25 squares.
25, 625. Yeah.
Yeah.
24, sir. I meant 24.
Fine. So now look at this here. So sin A. Substitute here nothing. Sin A is nothing but what? From the triangle, which from this diagram. Sin A value. Opposite by hypotenuse, minus 15 by 17. Cos B is what here? 24 by 25. Shrikar, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand or not?
Yes, sir. I'm able to understand.
Great. Right. So now just cancel everything here. So what would you get here? Look at this.
15 and 25 cancel a little bit.
5 3s, 5 5s.
Yeah, that's it.
This is what
And,
we can cancel here. Look at this now. So 24 3 times 72 by 85. Now here's 56 divided by how much?
17 and 25.
17 into 25. 85, 34, 42, 425.
Yeah,
So what is LCM?
425 itself, sir.
So 425. 425 by 85. How much? 5. So 72 into 5 times. Minus 56 into 1 time. Divided by 425. Clear?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Guys, here 5
Yes,
times.
sir.
5 times makes 425, isn't it? Am I correct?
Yeah.
Sir.
So 72 5 times how much, beta? 360
360
by 425. So 360 plus 56 how much?
minus the sorry, 400 and 1 minute. Yeah,
We
416. 416, sir.
here I think 1 second.
Minus 416.
Here plus we should get plus I think. No, we should get 304 here, not 416. We should prove that as a 304 numerator. Look at this here.
Then you should get plus then. That's it.
Then somewhere we made a
Like
calculation.
56 should be plus, then only it will get 3, not 4.
Yes, yes, yes. Where should be the plus? Look at this. Guys, check it out here. Somewhere we missed some plus here. Minus 7 by 25, minus 7 opposite by hypotenuse, fine 24. So here,
Sin B we wrote correctly. Yeah, sin B wrote exactly. Cos
sin B minus.
Sir, maybe we can write -5 rather than 5.
Where?
So we wrote minus 72 into 5, right?
where?
Minus 72 into 5 plus 56 for LCM.
I didn't get you. Where minus 50 into?
85 into 5 equals 425, right, sir?
Yeah.
So for numerator, we wrote minus 72 into 5.
Oh. Then minus 72 into 5. Correct only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Plus 56. That no, it's minus 56.
Then it should be plus.
It should be plus 56. No other way.
Then the question itself wrong or what? In question.
Yeah, question itself should be wrong.
Then it should be
If
minus
7 should not be minus, then only it will come.
Yes,
Not
it is,
56
yes.
plus.
Exactly. It should be minus actually. The question should be given minus. Then only it becomes plus. All right.
Yeah, yeah, 7 should be plus. That's it.
Yes. Guys, if at all any plus minus mistake, you can just make it correct actually. Very simple calculation, right? Shall I go?
Yeah.
Understood the concept? Understood? You understood the
Yes,
concept?
sir.
Right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question. Because if this is a very good question for JE point of view as well as for your board point of view, or angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, then prove that sin A minus sin C equals sin D minus sin B. Come on, how can I prove this? And the second question is basically what do you mean by cyclic quadrate? Tell me. What do you mean by cyclic quadrilateral?
1 minute. Cyclic quadrate. Look. Cyclic quadrate will be circle. No.
Opposite angles. देखो, guys, I gave hint. You have to solve it.
Okay. ABB surface IP coordinate. Sir, is there a parallelogram in the cyclic quadrilateral, sir?
Look at this here. Basically, this is a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me draw like this. Let's say that this is my quadrilateral. Okay. So I have angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D like this. Okay. So this and this and this. Angle A plus angle C. Opposite angles will be
Equal, yeah.
not equal. Sum of opposite angles will be equal to 180 degrees.
Yeah.
This is what the rule of cycle quadrilateral. Okay. Now look at this here. A, B, C, D are the angles of a quadrilateral. Then A plus C, B plus D is equal to 180 degrees. You can
Yeah.
prove that now, very simple. Guys, here A plus C is equal to 180 degrees as per the given condition, and B plus D should be 180 degrees as per the given condition. So A is equal to what here now? 180 minus C, and B is equal to what? 180 minus D. Now I know A value and B value here. Substitute here and here for the first question. Come on.
So it will become cos. Oh. It will become sin C.
Very simple, yeah. Look at this. Sin A. A given what? 180 minus C.
It will become sin C, sir.
Is equal to sin D minus sin B is what? 180
Sin C,
minus
positive sin C. It will become on first.
180 minus C. 180 minus theta. 180 is here. 180 minus
Sin C, sir.
Sin C only.
Positive.
Minus sin C. We have to prove
0.
this is equal to this. All right. We have to prove this is equal to this. Sin D. So here also sin D. So 0 is equal to 0.
0 equal.
Hence proof. So second question is the homework. Okay. Second question you have to solve it. Second question you have to solve it, guys.
Okay. Now, sir, or later?
Not now. At home.
Okay.
We'll be checking the next class. Next.
So 1 minute. Show the second question again, sir.
I'll share these notes. Why you are worrying? I'll share these notes in Google Classroom. You can just find it out from there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. Next question. If A cos theta minus B sin theta is equal to, then that A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to plus or minus square root of A square plus B square minus C square. Come on, how can we do this? Very simple, very simple, very simple. Come on. Guys, this is equal to this given. Let us take this equation number 1.
Cos theta is 1 minus sine square theta root, right, sir?
Yes, that is what we have to prove actually. Okay.
Yeah.
So, and this is equal to this we have to prove. This is equal to this we have to prove. But look at it. This is what given what? This is equal to this. See, this is equal to, we have to prove this, right? So
Yeah.
this is equation number 1. And let a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal. I don't know. Let's take it as some k. All right. Let's
Yeah.
take it as some k. So now look at this. Let us consider this as second number equation. Can I do squaring on both sides? Why? Because
Yes.
my required part is in terms of square. All right. My required answer is what? In terms of square. So shall we do squaring on both sides and add it both the equations? So if
Yeah.
if at all I just do squaring on both sides, what would I get? A square plus b square minus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to c square, and just square on both sides for this. A square sin square plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to k square. Let us add these two equations. All right. If I add these two equations, what would I get? Yes, just a minute. Hello. Yes, children. So look at this now. So a square, if I take a square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta, it gives me 1. I'm adding both the equations. You understand? So here b square into sin square theta plus cos square theta gives me 1. And this and this fully will get cancelled. C square plus k square. Clear? Hello.
Yeah.
So what would I get now? Look at this here. C square. I need what? I need to find out here. I need to find out k value. K square is equal to what? A square plus b square minus c square. So k value is what now? Plus or minus square root of. Isn't it? What is my k here? What is my k here? This is what my k, right? This is what my k.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
A sin theta plus b cos theta. Hence proved. All right. Clear? Is it clear, people? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
And the question, sir, could you show the question once?
yeah.
Okay, sir, clear.
Yes, I'll share these notes. Don't worry. Okay. Fine. Yes. And guys, like every day our class would be from 8 to 9. I mean, whenever the class I have given a time to you, whatever the timetable I have given to you, please stick to that. Like 8 to 9 in the sense, like we our JE class would be 7:15 to 8:15, right? After 8:15, you might join immediately. Fine. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I don't have the timetable.
Like Tuesday and Thursday, 8:15 to 9:15. Okay, but Sunday probably we'll have in the morning. Sunday you'll be free only, right?
Yes, sir.
So Sunday we'll be having in the morning, Sunday alone, but Tuesday and Thursday we'll be having in the evening, night only. Okay.
Yes.
Next question. If 3 sin A plus 5 cos A, guys, whatever the question I'm teaching, everything is very important. Everything is very, very, very important. See, you ask me why? Because I have been in a state board, right? Even I too studied these questions only. Even I too studied this book only. You understand? I too studied these concepts only. Why? Because I'm also a Telangana state board student only. So I'm aware of all this stuff actually. I'm aware of what board exactly asks from you, what exactly board expects from a intermediate student. So I'm just telling you that you prepare these questions first of all. You give a priority to this kind of questions. This is a more than enough, I would say. If you are aware of this concept, they will not ask more than this actually. To be honest, they're not more than this, and that to COVID batch, right? You just have got affected with affected with the COVID, so you might be getting a somewhat easy paper only, easy to moderate, not difficult paper. Don't worry. Every year it will be easy to moderate paper only, but this time they'll be giving easy. Don't worry. Clear? All right. Make sure that you are aware of all these concepts in a well manner. Perfect. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So is equal to 5. Then prove that 5 sine A minus 3 cos A is equal plus or minus 3. So this is what the given question here. What do you have to prove? We have to prove this is equal to this. Okay. So now how can I prove this? This is equal to this given. He is asking us to prove this is equal plus or minus 3. How can I prove this? Same concept. This is also homework. Homework, beta. What do you have given? This is a first equation. This is a, let's say that's a k. You understand? This is equal to 5 given, boys. This is equal to what? Let us take it as a k. Fine. Yes or no? Hello?
Sir.
This is equal to, let's take k. Now squaring on both sides.
Yeah.
Add both the things. You will get plus or minus 3. Hope it is clear. Hello?
Yeah.
Next question.
Yes, sir.
Take this homework. Take this question and solve it home. If tan square theta is equal to 1 minus e square, then prove that secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosec theta is equal to 2 minus e square to the power of 3 by 2. Come on, how can I solve this? Guys, this is equal to this given. We have to prove this. This is equal to this. Very, very simple actually. Guys, how many of you know that this formula? Do you know this formula?
Yes, I know this one. So secant square theta minus equal to 1.
Yes. So what is the secant square theta now?
1 plus tan square.
Because why we are finding here, we need secant theta. We have tan here, we need cosec also, right?
Okay. Yeah. Then we have to use that formula.
1 plus tan square theta. So secant theta is equal to what? 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but what? This one?
1 minus e. Yeah. Substitute.
1 minus e square. This will get cancelled here. All right. Or oh, not 1. Sorry. How can you cancel plus 1 plus 1? Man, no, you can't cancel. I thought minus 1. So this is what 2 minus e square. All right. Perfect. So now look at this here. Now secant value I got here. Let us substitute here. What is the secant value I got? 2 minus e square plus what is tan cube? 1 minus e square. One second, guys, look at this. This is tan cube given, right? Tan cube can be written as how? How can I write tan cube? This can be written as tan square theta into tan into cosec theta. Hello? Yes or no? Tan square theta,
Yes,
you know
sir.
here.
Sir.
Tan theta, let it be as it is. Tan square theta is what? 1 minus e square. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
1 minus e square. Now tan theta can be written as what? Sin theta by cos theta into 1 by sin theta, cosec theta. Sin theta will get cancelled here. Isn't it? So what would I get here now? This is what I get. Secant theta plus secant theta into 1 minus e square. 1 by cos I remain with here, right? 1 by cos gives you what? Secant theta, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, or else can you do one thing here? Instead of substituting yes, we'll solve first trigonometry in trigonometrical way. Look at this here. Instead of doing all this, first let us solve the trigonometric function. Okay, let us solve the trigonometric function. So secant theta plus tan square theta into this what it gives me? Hello, what exactly it gives me? Tan into cosec.
Tan into cosec.
Secant theta ఇస్తుంది కదా,
Ah,
అవునా కదా? 1 by cos మిగులుతుంది. సో secant theta. So can I take secant
Yeah,
theta
yeah.
common here? 1 plus tan square theta.
yeah.
So secant theta is equal to what here? 1 plus tan square theta is what?
Secant theta.
Secant square theta.
Yeah, secant square. Sorry.
Look at this here. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Secant square theta. It becomes what now? Secant cube theta. Secant cube theta is nothing but what? Now this as it is whole to the power of 3.
Hmm.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I got secant value here. Look at this. So now
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
if at all I remove the square root here, it gives me 3 by 2. Whole to the power of 3 by 2. Guys, already everything you have done all this. We are going for revision. So let me go fast. Clear?
Yes, sir. Do it.
అవునా కదా? Clear? ఇదే కదా
Yeah.
మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సింది. Look at this. This is what I have to
Yes,
prove.
sir.
Hence prove.
Easy.
Easy. Right? Now,
Yeah.
next question. Prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. If I take this part, LHS part, what can I write? What can I write here? Guys, for this type of question, these are very important. Believe me, very important. There's a no surprise at all if they ask you in your board exam. Very important. So now for this type of question, guys, you do multiply and divide with one thing. Multiply and divide by secant square theta minus tan square theta. Why? Why? Because this is equal to what? 1 here. Isn't it, people? Secant square minus tan square
Yeah.
theta, how much? 1 only, right? Can I multiply and divide with
Yeah.
secant square theta minus tan square theta? What it gives me? What exactly it gives me? Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta. Or else not multiply and dividing, simply just not even multiply and dividing it. Now this I'm taking, oh, 1 minute, this fully into 1. Can I take into 1? Isn't it? Hello, children, are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Into 1, right? E 1 plus 1 what can I write here? Into secant square theta minus tan square theta.
Yeah.
What can I do here? Dini tan theta.
ఎందుకంటే formula కదా tan square.
Yes. So or else into 1 రాయకుండా you can do still ఇంకా వేరే విధంగా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. In place of 1, ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ 1 ఉంది, మనం రాయాల్సిన పనే లేదు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ వెరీ సింపుల్, ఇంకా సింపుల్ చేయొచ్చు. ఏ విధంగా సింపుల్ చేయొచ్చు చెప్పండి నాకు. ఇక్కడ -1 ఉంది కదా శ్రీకర్, here have -1, right? So that -1 can be written as what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు పర్ఫెక్ట్ అయిపోతుంది చూడండి. సో now look at here, tan theta plus secant theta minus secant theta plus tan theta.
Sir, below also we can do, right? The +1.
+1. లెట్ ఇట్ బి +1. ఎందుకంటే చూడు +1 చేస్తే నీకు ఏమవుతుందో నేను చెప్తాను నీకు. ఇప్పుడు +1 కూడా రాస్తే there will be no use at all. Like you'll be keep getting your calculation. Your calculation will not get end. So +1 రాయకుండా దాన్ని ఇట్లా చేయొచ్చు. tan theta plus secant theta minus secant theta. ఇక్కడ ఇలా చేయకుండా ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, be careful here. Here tan theta plus secant theta have, tan theta plus secant theta have here. Can I take common?
Yes, sir.
So what would you get here? ఇక్కడ minus secant theta minus tan theta. ఒకసారి here a square minus b square అంటే a minus b into a plus b కదా. హలో గైస్, హియర్ a square minus b square అన్నప్పుడు a plus b into a minus b అవునా కదా? a minus b into a plus b అవునా కదా? This one as it is I wrote ఇక్కడ.
Yeah.
Is it clear, Srikar?
Yes, sir.
So now tan
Formula.
theta, yes, secant theta. Can I take common? If at all I take though, what would I get here? 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta. This is what
Yes,
I
sir.
remain with now. In the denominator secant theta minus, so tan theta plus secant theta, and just multiply this, minus it to minus plus, right? Plus tan theta divided by tan theta minus plus 1, right? So now look at this. What can I do here? Look at it. Can I cancel this one and this one?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
No,
now
no,
look at
no.
it.
Yeah,
Why
ante.
can't- Why can't you? You can
We can, sir.
absolutely.
We can. Yeah, we can.
Ah,
I,
Now look
yeah,
at it
I
here.
just cross-checked again, sir. Yeah, that's it.
Yes, this can be written as what? Sin theta can be written as what? So tan theta can be written as what? Sin theta by cos theta.
Yeah. One by cos.
So look at this. This is what my required answer now.
Yeah.
Right, this is very important question for your long answer type of question. So look at this. 1 plus sin by this one. Clear? అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the today's class is all about. We'll be discussing few more questions. I mean, we'll be discussing rest of the questions in the next class. Any doubts, Sticker?
No, sir.
Ritvik?
No, sir. Not at all. Very simple.
Okay, so we'll be coming up, probably we'll be finishing the trigonometry in the next class. Once we're done with the trigonometry, I'll be
Yes,
going
sir.
to-
Better do it, sir.
Yeah, and the next class we'll go with the following class. I mean,
Yes, sir. Next class
Sunday.
we'll go with a little bit harder chapters, sir.
yeah, and the next class we'll go with a new topic.
Yeah, because this one's a little bit easy.
Yeah, a little bit easy only, but important as well. Definitely
Yeah.
you'll get a long one. You have a weightage, right?
What, sir?
Weightage, chapter wise weightage.
Yeah.
Yeah, follow that. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care.
Good night.